Wow.
Yeah, king want some hot girl come to shake up the ass and ting.
Wow, Quik Mula, your video going crazy.
Reaction.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boss! Back in with another video for you guys right now. Yes, right now we're back in St. Kitts. We have a song called Feel Good, official music video by Quik Mula. People, right now I want you guys to check out this artist right now. Link to the original song is already down below in the description. It's also pinned in the comment section. But guess what? You came here for the reaction boss, right? So we're gonna get straight to the video right now. And basically, people, I am looking at a female and the cover work, and I just can't wait to get into this video. But first and foremost, you need to like the video, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend about the reaction boss. And St. Kitts, if you're feeling good right now, if you're feeling good, just drop some fire emojis in the comment section. Let's get straight to the video right now. Wow.
Yeah, king want some hot girl come to shake up the ass and ting.
Wow, Quik Mula, your video going crazy already. I see a bad female, and trust me, the reaction boss is very, very wow with a bye. Go on!
Cup the lips them. Make it dark feel good.
Yeah.
Yo, me blessed no fuck, me got money coming in that. Champagne pop, Barbie dollar get cock. Fuck around and need this in my reach. Just a little mad stick for yourself that. Yeah, money I run like a cheetah. Girl see the blue, say she want some of these.
She see the blue, she want the what? What she want? Remember when you got money, you got the girls them. And right now your artist name, your name alone, I say, your name alone, I say quick. Your name alone, but the girl them want you. That man tell you right now. You see me? Go on.
When you done touch your place, ride up your girl quick, your dog in a race. Hey, look, how me fresh and clean.
Yeah.
Push button start, hot girl a jump in.
Nigga, I say push button start. Hot girl a jump in. Once you have a car and you use a key to start it, every girl there your foot a set. So, hi Quik Mula. And that I go on now. And that the dog I make you know say I go on right now in a paper. Go on.
Hasta la vista. Fly gun they like me just hit the reefer. Girl a tremble like she just cook.
Yeah.
And me pen don't bust up.
Alright.
Nigga life like this.
What up, give me the man just say girl she like she just come. Hey, go pull up him song.
Clean. Push button start hot girl a jump in. Nigga hasta la vista. Fly gun they like me just hit the reefer.
Yeah.
Girl a tremble like she just cook. And me pen don't bust up.
Yeah.
Nigga life like this. Just give me daps and the girls blow me kiss.
Alright.
Man a top shot a blue cash in me fist. Me no really want hear nothing that. Look, put a drip like this, yeah. Diamonds a flash like picture. Watch ya.
You hear this? Do you hear the lyrics are going? Right now, I want to remind you guys, you know, before you forget, you know, you're watching, but I want to remind you, he's from St. Kitts. Yes. Yes. I want to remind you. Alright, now go on.
Back a go like fish. Man a trap star make a girl them wish. They don't want me to live. Buy big house and own some base. I want set my legacy. This how you gon' remember me. Every single man got a mission. You could take me eyes but not me vision. What I've been through, none of them don't know. Put them on the part, none of them gon' go. Just do your thing, now watch it next man. Most put it roll it on me left hand.
Don't wash the face. Do your thing. Make your own money. No pre people. Make them pre you. Work for what you want. Work for your own things. And that's what I gotta make you know right now. Don't just make your money. Don't watch the next man. Don't watch what them a do. Do your thing in your own lane. In your own lane. So don't get your style. You know for wallet. Go on.
Me just a live my life. It don't feel good. Blessing follow me. Father walk with me. Me just a live my life. It don't feel good.
Just a live life. The dog feel good. You see me, I say, the man make a no say, man, just live him life. The dog feel good. Basically refers to himself and say, yo, him feel good. The song title, Feel Good. And right now, I have a vibe to the song. You see me, I say, I feel good listening to the song right now. You see me, I have a vibe to it, so. You see me? I want you to go check out the second phone yourself, you see me? So click the link down below in the description of this video or pinned in the comment section. The first link, the first comment you're gonna see when you scroll down. Click it, give the song a listen, dog. Drop some comments on the song, share it to your friend, everybody knows, say, yo, that song you're hot right now. So say you come from St. Kitts and watch a video right now and you never know about Quik Mula until now, go and go check him out. You see me, I say, go check him out. A bad artist. Go follow him on Instagram also. Everything down below in the description. Make him know the reaction bar send it over there. So run through.
Follow me, for the walk with me.
Alright.
Man clean every day. Money got to make and fuck it, girl them high. Every time they blink, they make.
You make that like that for me, you know. That's what I say. The money I have to make. And then that's what I have to say so the pum pums what? You don't know that gun. I'm here.
The girl them breathe. Gotta stack it cash and stack it high like weed. I could live like this. Girls on the floor just a twerk like this.
Alright.
Yeah, you sexy no fuck.
Yeah.
Now you want the dog cause you nipple them up.
Alright.
Me just a live my life. The dog feel good. Blessing follow me. For the
Wait, I wanna
walk
hear that part again.
this. Girls on the floor just a twerk like this. Follow me. For the walk with me. Man clean every day. Money got to make and fuck it, girl them high. Every time they blink, they make it, girl them breathe. Gotta stack it cash and stack it high like weed. I could live like this. Girls on the floor just a twerk like this. Yeah, you sexy no fuck. Now you want the dog cause you nipple them up.
Video clean also, you understand?
Me just a
me,
live
like,
my life.
I forgive you. I forgot comment point. The video clean, everything nice. You see me? I like this video. We like the song also. You understand me? And the artist really out here doing thing with the whole heap of ice and thing. You know what I mean? Me out here my little one chin. You see me? And say like, somebody can try for me. Try know. Just there still. Go on.
The dog feel good. Blessing follow me. For the walk with me.
Walk with me.
Me just a live my life. The dog feel good. Blessing follow me. For the walk with me.
Alright. Ooh. Okay. Well, yeah, people, I must say, yo, you see me? Check out the artist for themselves, dog. So I'm going at the end of the video. Apparently, you know, cost me, so I don't watch the full video them. So, I watch the video to the end. She look good too. Island Friends photography, big up yourself. It's me, I say, Chronicler, big up yourself. But it's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And now, the link to this song will be down below in the description of this video. Please go check out the artist for yourself. His Instagram, everything will be down below in the description also. You understand me? But most of what I want you to do is go share the song. So, click the link in the comment section. The link will pin, click that one there. Drop some comment, just some 5 emojis. And the best thing to do, let you know so the reaction boss sent me. I was here, Tyrekevlogs sent me over here. So go over there, give me a little comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, both Quik Mula. You see me? Reaction boss signing out. Peace.